Dear friends, welcome to Culinary Hub. Today I am preparing scrumptious, creamy and silky steamed egg pudding. This pudding can be prepared by combining simple ingredients. Please check the description section for the quantity and the details of the ingredients. To start with, I'll prepare the caramel sauce by melting little amount of sugar in a saucepan. I'll be continuously stirring it so that the sugar doesn't burn. Once it has become a brown nice syrup, I'll be pouring it into single serving moulds. And our moulds are ready. The next step is making the pudding mixture. For that, I'll be breaking 3 eggs in a mixing bowl. Then I'll add the vanilla bean paste, condensed milk, and sifted all-purpose flour. Combine all these ingredients with the help of a whisk, and then I'll be adding milk to it so that the pudding is silky and smooth. This mixture I'll pass it through a strainer. And then I'll be transferring the pudding mixture to the moulds in which I poured the caramel sauce. You can steam this pudding as well as bake it in the oven. Today I'll be steaming it. For that, I have heated little amount of water in a pot, kept a stand and placed the moulds filled with the mixture over the stands, covered it, and I'll be steaming it for around half an hour. Once the pudding is firm, I'll put it for chilling in the fridge for 2 hours, and then it's the time to demold it. Today I'm serving this pudding with little amount of lemon zest for that extra freshness and fresh berries. Thank you for watching this video. Please click the like button for this recipe. Please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notifications whenever we post new videos. Thank you.